There are two applique tools in the Digitize toolbox. One creates closed objects as well as partial cover applique. The other is used to create applique from the Open Object tool. Up to 4 layers of stitching can be generated while just digitizing one shape. These layers are the placement line, the cutting line, the tack down, and the cover stitch. The placement line is used to position fabric on the background fabric. Cutting lines are used when you use trim and place method of applique. This is where a large piece of fabric is laid over the area and then trimmed in place with a pair of scissors. If you're using a pre-cut applique piece, you do not need the cutting line. The default setting in the software is to have the cutting line deactivated. The tack down is used to hold the applique fabric in place, and the cover stitch covers the edge of the fabric. The same rules of digitizing apply to applique digitizing as well. Right clicks will form curves, left clicks form points. You can pre-select the properties of your applique in the Object Properties Applique tab, or you can create the applique and then edit it. For this video, we're going to use the default properties to create a simple applique. So I'm just going to go OK in Object Properties. We're going to use this image in the background as a guide to create a heart. I'll right-click and select Lock, and then select the Applique tool. And I'll digitize around the heart with left and right clicks. I'm just following around the gold border of this heart. When I get close to closing the applique, I let the software close it by pressing Enter. I can press Escape, select the applique, and change the color. And also, if I want to edit, I can click on Reshape. I can move reshape points. I can delete reshape points. I can add a point, or I can change a point. You might want to go back and review the reshape video so you can learn how to reshape objects. I'll press Escape. I can unlock the picture by right-clicking on the picture in color film and selecting Unlock. And then I can hide the picture by clicking on Bitmaps. In color film, you'll notice that you'll see a placement line, a tack down, and a cover.